Hi there, my name is Simon Leek. I'm here at Fahrenheit 2017 and I'm doing a tutorial on a six-petal snake chew. Hi there, my name is Simon Leek and I'm here at Fahrenheit 2017 and I'm going to do a tutorial on a six-petal snake chew combo. The first thing you're going to do is have your thumbs facing up and you're going to do a six-petal anti-spin. How that works is you take your stabs and you do a static spin and then you push the wicks out. You pull the wicks back and you do a static spin in the opposite direction. Push the wicks out, pull the wicks back, and you're at the beginning. So in the full move is, and you're back at the beginning. For a snake chew, one hand is going to reel and the other is going to snake. You switch arms in the middle and then it becomes this move. To mix them, you have your thumbs pointing up here and you start a six-petal anti-spin. You bring it back and you snake chew. Continue the six-petal anti-spin, bring it back, and snake chew. And the pattern ends up looking like this. And you're back at the beginning. The end. So this move is the six-petal anti-spin snake chew combo. My name is Simon Leek and this is Fahrenheit 2017.